and responsibilities for real estate professional. Palagi na lang ito kasi even your professional na kinakalimutan niyo ito. No? Kinakalimutan niyo. Ethics is the foundation of trust, credibility, and professionalism in our field. Tandaan niyo po. Kahit na po ano natapos niyo, pero kung wala kayong ethic, walang mangyayari sa ating profesyon. Whether you're a new broker, experienced broker, acting ethically help build last success. Oh, tandaan niyo po, pag talagang susundin natin yung ethical standard, you will be very successful.